Hi, my name's Harry Grimshaw. I'm a salesman for Cherwell Windows. We're an Internorm partner and this is one of our projects in Hampshire. So the brief for this project was a complete new build project, a lot of large scale openings. They were originally designed as bifolding doors, since changed to Internorm sliding doors. So every product on here, including the solar shading blinds, are all Internorm. The front door is from Internorm, the structural glass wall at the front is from Internorm using the panorama. You've got KF 410 studio windows, so they're all flush. Every slider on the house is a lift and slide door, and we've got an entrance back door as well. Internorm standard is a triple glaze system. A lot of British customers believe that they don't need triple glazing, but there's a lot of value add in terms of thermal comfort as well. So be it in the sliding door systems and that solar control, you've got obviously the different elements in terms of when you're passively cooling, that also helps you as well. So it works hand in hand. The biggest challenge for this project was overheating. So with more glass comes more heat and more solar gain. So on our arrival here today, we got a greeting from the client who also said thank you for talking her into buying the blinds because of their actual benefits. So as you can see, even on quite an average day of warmth, the blinds are down because with high insulating glazing becomes a lot of solar gain. But this is allowing us to manage that and use it effectively while the customer's not running their heating. Big factor for this project was security. So the customer wanted to feel safe. It's quite a remote location, but they're also kind of lifestyle people. They like to go out for walks, they like to go out into the countryside, but also commonly forget their keys. So at the front of the property there's a keypad that allows you to access on key entry. This can also be programmed to your phone and also to the locks on system that we've used before. So all of the technology in the house works with the windows and doors. So Cherwell have been working with Internorm for about 6 years now, climbed quite quickly to a gold status partner. We trust Internorm because we know that the quality of the product is of the best. They're a market leader in both thermal efficiency, quality and customer satisfaction, as you can see behind. We would like to continue working with Internorm and developing the market as far as we go.